Hi, friend. You know how much I believe in the power of chocolates to change lives because it has changed mine. But when I started, I wasted years and lakhs of rupees figuring things out the hard way. There was no roadmap, no guidance, no tools. So that is why I created the Indian Chocolate Academy membership. So you don't have to go through that same struggle. And right now, I'm inviting you to join as a founding member. So, what does this founding member mean? As a founding member, you don't just get access to the membership, you get something more special. Uh, Number one is you get lifetime access for just 3,999 rupees. There are no renewals, no yearly fees ever. Secondly, you get early input. You will shape this community with me. Your questions, feedback, and struggle with will guide what I create inside. Input. You will also get behind the scenes access. You will see this academy grow from day one, and you will always be one of the VIP members. Uh, Number four is like you get the locked in price, which means that while future members will pay yearly basis and also a much higher fees, you will never pay a single rupee more. Uh, Number five is you'll get special recognition because as a founding member, you will get spotlighted inside the community as the first pioneers who started this journey and made your business successful. The sixth benefit is that you get exclusive bonuses like tools, trainings, and extra guidance to help you hit your first income milestones faster. This is apart from everything, whatever is inside the membership. Now, the doors are open only for a limited number of founding members, and after that, this offer is gone forever because once I launch this founding member offer will not be there. So, if you ever thought, okay, I want to start a chocolate business, but I don't know how, or like I want to earn real income without spamming friends and family, or like, okay, I'm getting some kind of income, but there is no stability in my income. Uh, and like, I don't know what to do, what not to do, and how to, free up my time and things like that. So, this is the lifetime opportunity, my dear friend, because inside this membership, you not only get all the step by step guidance, you get my personal attention only for the founding members. Um, and you get all this for just rupees 3999 for lifetime. So, this I believe will be your best and the sweetest decision that you will be taking for yourself, your business, and your family.